yudo wa Ramogi TV X, bendi biro yudo wa @Ramogi TV. Akawa chako ni Jatend Piny William Ruto orwako nyawadgi mar Piny Romania Klaus Werner Johannes e kar jot mare bore Nairobi okinyi makawuono. Jatend Piny no manochopo e alap ndeke ma JKIA otieno manyoro biro bedo e pachoka e kuom thuolo mar ndalo adek. Limbe mare geto mar nyayo tudruok makare e kind pinje ariyogo kamoting'o jiwo chenro mag ohala. Gisani Jatend Piny Kenya William Ruto loso wiwawinjane.
Three things have happened. Number one, commodity prices have escalated because of the war. Whether you're talking about fertilizer, whether you're talking about grains, and as a result of the war, we have a serious situation of escalating prices of food items. And that has resulted in higher costs of living in our continent with very detrimental effects on populations, on people, especially those that are vulnerable. And as a result, it has led to a second thing, that we are now spending more money in supporting communities, supporting the agricultural sector. We're investing more money in subsidizing fertilizer for food production, fertilizer that is already very high in costs. And that is why, as a continent, we believe in a peaceful resolution of these issues and an early engagement to resolve the conflict is a most desired outcome for those of us from this region. It is the reason why we believe in a rules-based world. We believe in the Charter of the UN that protects the territorial integrity of countries and that believes that against any country globally is aggression against all countries. And we're looking forward to an early and speedy resolution of the conflict in Ukraine, as we do in Gaza and as we do in the rest of the conflicts that we have in our own continent. Thank you very much.
Romania is.